The science behind baking soda.
Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkaline compound. Its chemical formula, NaHCO3, allows it to react with acids and bases. This unique property makes baking soda a powerful tool for cleaning, neutralizing odors, and even helping with certain types of stains. Its versatility comes directly from its scientific makeup.
How baking soda cleans surfaces.
When baking soda is mixed with water, it forms a slightly abrasive paste. This grit helps scrub away grime and stains without scratching surfaces. Its alkalinity breaks down grease and deposits, lifting dirt so it can be wiped away easily. This combination of physical scrubbing and chemical reaction is why it's a go-to cleaner.
Neutralizing odors with chemistry.
Baking soda doesn't just mask odors, it neutralizes them. Many foul smells come from acidic or basic compounds. Because baking soda is amphoteric, it reacts with both acids and bases, turning them into neutral-smelling molecules. That's why placing it in the fridge or sprinkling it on carpets helps get rid of lingering odors.
Tackling tough stains the natural way.
Stains from coffee, wine, or oils can be acidic or greasy. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps break down these substances, often lifting them from fibers or hard surfaces. When combined with vinegar, a bubbling reaction occurs, further loosening debris, making it especially effective on clogged drains and stubborn spots.
Why baking soda is safe and sustainable.
Baking soda is non-toxic and biodegradable, making it a safer alternative to many harsher chemical cleaners. It doesn't release harmful fumes or pollute water supplies, which is why it's a favorite for eco-friendly households. Its safety, effectiveness, and affordability make it the ultimate household cleaner, proven by science.